Is your Samsung Galaxy ready for a massive upgrade? Samsung's teased its Android 16-based One UI 8 beta launching soon, and it's packed with next-gen features. Stick with GadInsider to find out why this beta is about to blow up. Hey tech fam, welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest gadget drops. Samsung's gearing up to launch its One UI 8 beta powered by Android 16 any day now, starting with the Galaxy S25 series. Sources spotted beta built on Samsung servers, hinting at a June rollout. X-users are buzzing about its fresh UI and hidden features. Let's dive into what's coming and how to get it. So, what's cooking with One UI 8 and Android 16? Samsung's beta, likely build AYD9 or similar, is set to bring a redesigned UI with smoother animation and a modernized quick settings panel inspired by Android 16's huge UI overhaul. Expect a video chat quick settings tile for cool effects like background blur, portrait relighting, and studio-grade mic noise suppression, perfect for Zoom or Google Meet. Android desktop mode is a hidden gem, letting you plug your Galaxy into a monitor for a PC-like interface, rivaling Samsung DeX but Google-powered, though it's not fully baked yet. The beta also packs April 2025 security patches and stability tweaks for camera and battery performance. While sources say new features are sparse on the S25 Ultra, cloud media search in the photo picker and dynamic color AOD clocks add flair. And this is Samsung testing Android 16 early for a stable launch by August or September. Samsung's outpacing rivals with a possible June launch, way earlier than One UI 7's delayed rollout. Android 16's second quarter 2025 release means Pixel 10 and Galaxy S26 could ship with it, but Samsung's beta gives S25 owners a head start. The desktop mode has techies buzzing, though it's developer only for now. Unlike DeX's polish, some Honor Magic 7 Pro users already have Android 16 beta, but Samsung's One UI 8 adds Galaxy-exclusive tweaks like AI-enhanced notes and circle to search. Despite a 780 MB plus download, the beta stability focus fixes bugs like the Pixel battery health glitch, making it tempting for adventurers. This is Samsung's bold move to lead the Android pack. Let's get you in on this. Picture One UI 8 on your Galaxy S25. What's your vibe? Rocking desktop mode for work? Blurring Zoom backgrounds with a video chat tile? Or digging the sleek new UI? Drop your dream feature in the comments. To join the beta, head to Settings, click on Software Update, and then click on Download and Install and enroll in Samsung's beta program via the Members app. Look for a build ending in AYD9. If this drops got you hyped, smash that like button. Let's show Samsung that we're ready for Android 16. Subscribe to GadInsider and hit that bell.